Did you know that nearly 80% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Yeah, that's right. And that statistic should definitely raise some eyebrows. Financial insecurity is a real issue in today's world, and it's something we can't ignore anymore. So, let's talk about why money is essential and why it's more important than ever before. Alright, so money has always been a big deal, but its importance has skyrocketed in recent years. Gone are the days when you could just get by with a decent job and some savings. Nowadays, understanding money is crucial for survival, stability, and even happiness. So, let's dive into the evolving role of money in our lives and why it matters more than ever. Now, let's get real for a second. We're facing some serious challenges when it comes to finances. Inflation is on the rise, meaning your dollar just doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Everyday expenses, like groceries and rent, are climbing faster than most people's wages. Then there's the whole economic uncertainty thing. With job markets fluctuating and the gig economy taking over, many folks are feeling a sense of instability. It's stressful, right? These challenges are making it harder for people to save, invest, and feel secure in their financial futures. And honestly, that's a problem we can't overlook. So, why is money becoming even more essential today? Well, for starters, financial independence is a goal that many of us are striving for. We want that freedom to make choices without constantly worrying about our bank accounts. Investments are also at the forefront of financial discussions. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, understanding how to grow your money is vital. And let's not forget about security. In a world where job stability is no longer guaranteed, having a solid financial foundation can provide peace of mind and prepare us for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These reasons show just how crucial it is to be financially savvy in today's world. Now, here's the most compelling insight I want you to take away. Understanding money management isn't just a nice-to-have skill anymore, it's a necessity. Take the story of my friend, for example. She went from living paycheck to building a solid savings plan and investing in her future, learning how to budget effectively and understanding the power of compound interest. It's personal stories like these that remind us how transformative financial literacy can be. So, whether it's through online courses or reading books, investing time in understanding money could literally change your life. In summary, we've covered a lot today. We've talked about the challenges we face with finances, explored why money is so essential, and shared some real-life stories that highlight the importance of money management. At the end of the day, mastering your finances is crucial for achieving success and stability in life. So, let's make it a priority. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on money management? Have you faced any financial challenges recently? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on financial tips and budgeting strategies. Let's navigate this journey together.